Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the earbuds have enough battery because resets can fail on low power. Put both Nc9 earbuds into the case and keep the lid open. This ensures they can enter pairing logic. Next, power them off. Press and hold each stem for 5 to 8 seconds until LEDs extinguish. Do this even if you think they are off. Once done, leave your phone Bluetooth turned off. This prevents auto reconnect that would interrupt the reset sequence. Now you perform the actual factory reset. With the case lid open and both buds seated, press and hold the touch areas on each earbud simultaneously for about 10 to 12 seconds. This forces the internal controller to clear paired devices and settings. Watch for the LED pattern. Alternating or rapid flashes signal the reset is happening. When the LEDs flash together, release the touches. Close the case and wait 10 seconds. Then reopen it to let the earbuds reboot into clean pairing state before connecting. Finish by reconnecting. Turn on your phone Bluetooth, search for and select Toto NC9 and accept any pairing prompts. This establishes a fresh link and clears prior pairing clutter. If the earbuds do not appear, repeat the reset steps exactly and also try clearing your phone's Bluetooth cache because stale records can block new pairings. If stereo pairing still fails, pair a single bud first to confirm functionality, then add the second. A common tip: reboot the phone if issues persist. It often resolves lingering connection conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.